Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Subaru Outback engine. First, ensure your workspace is safe and well lit. Always disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent electrical shorts. Use sturdy jack stands to support the vehicle securely. Gather all necessary tools, including a reliable engine hoist, before you begin. Draining engine oil and coolant is a crucial early step to avoid messy spills during the removal process. Next, we'll systematically disconnect everything attached to the engine. Begin by labeling and detaching all electrical connectors and wiring harnesses. This prevents confusion during reassembly. Remove the air intake system, including the airbox and throttle body, to gain clear access to the engine's top. Then, carefully disconnect all coolant hoses, fuel lines, and vacuum lines, ensuring no fluid leaks or damage occurs. Now, it's time to separate the engine from the rest of the vehicle. First, support the transmission securely using a transmission jack or a sturdy floor jack to prevent it from dropping. Next, locate and remove the 8 to 10 bolts connecting the engine to the transmission bell housing. Finally, unbolt the engine mounts, typically 2 on the sides and 1 pitch stop mount, from the subframe or chassis. With everything disconnected and unbolted, we can now lift the engine. Attach your engine hoist securely to the designated lifting points, usually found on the engine block or cylinder heads. Slowly and carefully raise the engine, constantly checking for any snags or obstructions. Once clear, gently guide it out of the engine bay. Take a moment to inspect the engine bay for any remaining components or potential issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.